Hello, my people. Now, my brother Donty Osas, he does see come back again with another news. Wetin concern una brother Tony Kabaka. Now Kabaka don't come out. He don't come out. They advise the people. Say no matter quarrel when you with your fellow brother will quarrel, mona not give una self injury. No commit so that una fit come back again settle with happiness. So make I leave una with the video, mona see with una eye.
You know, you cannot fight somebody that is holding the phone. Some people might resist it. Some people are out there, they cannot, because they have nobody that will cater for them if they temper with. Well, I will not blame them, because gradually they will get to see the light and the truth of what is happening. And now, thank God, they are not seeing it clearly. So my advice to the youth is for you not to commit yourself, so that tomorrow your brother that you were both dragging with mouth, without killing, without injury, you can settle back again. Because if you sustain injury for your brother, and your brother sustain injury from you, and your brother died towards your struggle, after the government, maybe your government did not succeed, you will face the same people again. So my advice is to play politics with care. Because we have been out there playing it. We have been playing it with care. That is why I can boast today, come out openly, that people, any family should come out, that somebody has died through my struggle. Apart from the one that the soldier killed at Tubai when we were trying to fight for revenue. So that was not politics, that's revenue, and it's military that killed them. So say you carrying a fight, you want to go and fight your fellow brother, tomorrow you are going to face that same people. I beg you, my youth, not allowed to be used. You are very free to play your politics on your own way. But these people, tomorrow they will come back together, they will resolve themselves. Even after one have lost out, they will see jam communication, they will help themselves. You'll be surprised. So there's nothing for which to die for. And there's nothing, because gradually you keep seeing what I'm saying. It's not worth it at all. So you people that is out there that say, we were with Obaseki, now that the power has come, because the power has come, because people, the masses are telling you where it's going. Without being told, you have seen where the power is going. Because a grassroots have come out. The man was oppressed before, and the man was rough, and the man is back again. And thank God, he's a man among the founding father of APC. Me that is talking here, I'm a product of him. Let me not mention him. Everyone knows we are going through. I'm a product of him. So my youth, we are still coming to work together, celebrate as before. You know, we were all together, enjoying together. Somebody came on board and separated us. I swear to God, politics is very tiny and very small that can separate us. I told them, you don't neglect politicians. You don't neglect your people after climbing. After government, then you make politics. Now it's time of politics. Government time is over. If I were a governor of this state, I would be happy that I'm going to do a transparent primary. Let me use that language. Let me not use their language. I don't know if you understand. What do I mean by that? They said we should use if I'm forgetting myself, remember
Indirect
and indirect. Anything indirect, is it transparent? No, we are not. We are live now. Anything indirect, is it transparent? No. If I'm a governor, I know I'm on my people, that I work for my people. I will not be afraid of indirect. I will not be afraid of direct. Because direct is something that everybody will see your transparency. Everybody will see your people that love you. People will know how your state appreciates you. You know, a lot of things have went wrong. I said it before. And I even play a song. Kabaka tell you, you know here. Obama tell you, you know here. You say on a story. You don't set now. The time don't come. You see in life, you don't, the ladder that you use in climbing,